Welcome to our tutorial on how to extract vocals, drums, piano, bass, and guitar using Pixbim Acapella Maker AI. Let's see the input song. Now, let's hear outputs.
Cause I sit here crying when you're out with some.
Impressive, right? Now, let's walk through the steps to achieve these results. Begin by loading your desired input song into Pixbim Acapella Maker AI. Click on Start Processing Audio and save to initiate the extraction of vocals and musical stems. Now access your separated vocals and musical elements using the highlighted icon on the screen. And there you have it.